Allah. Allah or Lamia is one of the demons of calamity and leads the hell-bearing clouds. They are gluttonous and insatiable. Allah is considered a dragon-like creature of power and always fights against dragons, Zmai, Saint George, or Saint Ilya. The gluttony of Allah is incredible, that there is even a saying that when someone is insatiable, they will tell him that they are Alav or Halav, or that Allah has entered him. It is believed that Allah can enter a certain person, and that person becomes Ausan or Alavit. There are also stories that Saint Simon, Stefan Nemanja, was Ausan, and that Saint Sava threw Allah out of the Saint Simon into the sea. Only people born with 6 fingers and clairvoyant people can see Allah. The character of Allah in Serbian mythology is somewhat unclear. Sometimes looks like a huge snake with only its tail visible. Sometimes it has a head of a horse and the body of a snake. But it is also invisible and can be heard like a loud screeching sound. In relative human form, it looks like a scary black man who carries a spoon. That can signify their hunger and can make people lose their minds. And eagles from place to place have an unclear role around hell clouds and Allahs. In some regions, eagles are believed to bring hailstorms, while in others, eagles together with dragons fight against Allahs. It can also be associated with the folktale Just Still, where brother-in-laws of the prince, the dragon, eagle, and the falcon join forces with the prince in the fight against Just Still, who can be associated with Allah. According to the folktales and stories, in order to kill an Allah, its strength or soul must be found, which is in one animal that is smaller in another, just like Russian babushka, until finally its source of life is discovered, mostly in the smallest animal like the sparrow. Allah, like Zmai, is thought to originate from a snake that has reached a certain number of years without being seen by the human eye, and that number is generally twice as long as a Zmai. So it is generally considered that it is originated from a snake that was not seen by humans for about 20 to 40 years. Goodbye and see you in the next video.